Welcome to the Incident Management series. In this video, we explore communication templates, which are pre-written messages designed for speed during critical incidents. These reusable formats help you communicate consistently and quickly when every second counts. Let's dive into how standardized templates can transform your incident response process. Communication templates are pre-designed, standardized message formats that enable rapid and consistent communication during incidents. Think of them as a communication toolkit that your team can rely on when responding to emergencies. They ensure standardized messaging across all team members, meaning everyone is on the same page when communicating critical information. They are also completely reusable, allowing you to apply the same templates to multiple incident types without having to create new messages every time. Templates save valuable time by eliminating the need to compose messages from scratch during critical incidents. When an incident occurs, your team can focus on resolving the problem instead of worrying about how to communicate it. Templates ensure consistency, preventing confusion and miscommunication that can arise when different team members use different messaging approaches. The impact is significant. Research shows that templates reduce communication errors by up to 80% and cut notification time in half. There are 4 main types of communication templates you should have in your incident management toolkit. Initial alert templates are used for the first notification when an incident is detected. Status update templates provide regular progress and impact information as the incident unfolds. Resolution templates confirm when the issue has been resolved and recovery is complete. Finally, post-incident templates are used to notify stakeholders about incident reviews and lessons learned. Each template type serves a specific purpose at different stages of incident management. When creating and using templates, follow these 4 best practices. First, be concise. Keep messages brief and clear, including only essential details that stakeholders need to know. Second, use placeholders for dynamic values. Insert brackets around items like incident numbers, times, and component names so you can fill them in quickly during an incident. Third, tone matters. Use professional yet reassuring language that reduces panic and builds confidence in your team's response. Fourth, maintain version control by tracking template updates and keeping clear documentation of changes. Remember to review your templates regularly and update them based on lessons learned from actual incidents. Let's look at a practical example of an initial alert template. The structure includes an incident identifier, the service name, severity level, start time, affected component, and current status. For example, the message might read, Incident 123, service degradation detected. Severity, high, started at 2:15 p.m. Affected, payment processing. Status, investigating. This template clearly communicates the essential information stakeholders need, without overwhelming them with unnecessary details. Status update templates keep stakeholders informed as you work through an incident. The structure includes the incident identifier, current time, status, number of affected users, and estimated time to resolution. For instance, Incident 123 status update. Time 2:35 p.m. Current status, investigating root cause. Impact, 5,000 users affected. Estimated time, 30 minutes. A professional tip. Send updates every 15 to 30 minutes during active incidents to maintain stakeholder confidence and manage expectations. Implementing templates effectively requires a structured 4-step approach. Step 1, audit your current processes. Document all the communication types and patterns your team currently uses during incidents. Step 2, create your templates. Develop standardized templates for each communication scenario you identified. Step 3, test them thoroughly. Use templates in tabletop exercises and incident drills to ensure they work in practice. Step 4, deploy widely. Integrate templates into your incident response tools, runbooks, and communication systems. Your success metric should be achieving 90% template usage rate within 3 months of rollout. Let's summarize the key points about communication templates. First, They provide speed and consistency by eliminating composition time and ensuring uniform messaging across your entire team. Second, they require a structured approach using placeholders for dynamic content and maintaining clear information hierarchies. Third, commit to continuous improvement by regularly reviewing and refining your templates based on real incidents and team feedback. Remember, well-designed templates transform crisis communication from an uncertain, ad hoc process into a predictable and reliable one. This is a game changer for incident management.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.